On October 1st, 2024, officers were with a female individual at a court where she was insulted, the presiding judge disrupting the proceedings and creating an environment of chaos and disrespect.
How the fuck any of this shit is going? Like, I'm the one who was attacked. How the fuck? Like, I don't understand any of this shit. I don't know court fucking, like, I don't know what half this shit means. You're asking me yes or no questions that I don't comprehend. I'm not going to answer something I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay. If you allow someone to speak.
I just want to discriminate somebody because of my age. You think you're going to get off on me? I have lawyers and I'm 2-0 with lawsuits. So
if you allow someone to speak,
they don't want to use my.
They can explain it to you. Okay?
The female became disrespectful and aggressive. She was respectfully asked to exit the courtroom quietly to cool off in order to minimize any further disturbance. However, the female did not comply with the officer's requests and continued her disruptive behavior, ignoring their attempts to de-escalate the matter.
No one cares about your language here. Not impressing anybody.
Nobody said that.
It's a public building.
Nobody said that.
It's a public building, and I'm not going to allow it. You're causing a disruption in a public building. These are work offices here. This is not your office. This is a courtroom. There is no. There's freedom of speech. I applaud you for that. But this is a work office that you're disrupting with your freedom of speech. I don't care about the language. No. Listen. I don't care about the language. I care the fact that you're disrupting.
You're still saying language. Who's cursing right now?
You.
Who's cursing? I'm talking to you. The fuck you mean? Now.
What are you getting out of this?
Bro, I've been through a lot, man. You just don't care. I don't care.
Can I have him then?
I'd rather be fucking dead than be here right now. Like, I just want to fucking die already.
Okay.
Really
now we're going to the hospital.
I'm good.
No. Now you have to go to the hospital.
I'm good.
So no. Like, you don't understand. You just said you'd rather be dead. You're going to the hospital. Okay.
Good.
No. That's not how it operates.
I'm good. I didn't say
You said
no
it
threat. I
on
didn't threaten.
camera?
It's like, please.
Got it on 2 cameras here. You're going to the hospital now.
I'm not
Okay.
nowhere.
However, the female remained uncooperative and argumentative, continuing to challenge the officers and refusing to provide clear or rational explanations for her behavior. She repeatedly used inappropriate language, further complicating the investigation, and insisted that the officers cease what she referred to as a disturbing line of questioning.
Stand up.
I'm not going nowhere.
You're going to the hospital now.
You're trying to be corrupted? Like, I've been
Corrupted?
through
No.
situations
I'm not
that
trying
I
to be-
know exactly what
I'm
you're
not trying to be
do.
corrupted. You
are.
No.
I didn't say nothing.
You said you'd rather be dead. You're going to the hospital for PETS evaluation now. So that's what our obligation is here. Okay? You escalated this. We brought you outside to de-escalate. You've escalated this. Now you're going to the hospital based on your statements. Understood?
I'm not going nowhere.
You are.
I'm
That's
going to the hospital.
no. You have to. I'm legally bound to take you to the hospital now. Okay. You want to see if maybe the judge, what he wants to do here, because I can't take her until he sees her. This did not have to go this direction.
I understand. I hear it I already know.
Clearly you don't.
Know.
No, clearly you do not.
So the fact that I'm even here because of my cousin, like, that's the most
Listen,
pathetic of all.
and you know what? You probably would have gotten a little bit more remorse if you'd been a little kinder to the judge, but I'm not going to operate in that mindset right now. Okay?
So I don't know what's going to happen now, Mr. Officer, now that I have somebody who's my only support system. What's going to happen? Berto, I had you on speaker. Like, I don't even know. Judge asked me a question. I don't fucking comprehend it. So already I start with my fucking ways, bro. And now I'm going to be took into the fucking hospital. But you actually, I'm not doing shit, bro. I swear to God, bro. What, Berto? What?
Despite the officers' efforts to maintain professionalism and control the situation, it became evident that her behavior was not improving. Her refusal to cooperate and escalating hostility prompted the officers to make the decision to take her into custody for her actions.
I'm about to break my phone. Like, I'm about to, literally, dude needs to get the fuck away from me. Nothing fucking happened!
All right, stand up. Stand up. Put the phone down and stand up. No, stand up.
Get the fuck away from me.
Put the phone down and stand up.
Leave me the fuck alone.
No, absolutely not. Put the phone down and stand up. Put the phone down and stand up.
What?
Because
For what?
Because
I'm not even doing shit.
Now you're gonna get arrested.
For what?
Come on.
Bro. Fuck off. Get the fuck off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get the fuck. Bro.
Now you're getting arrested. You're under arrest, all right? You are under arrest. Hey, Brian.
Stop. Stop resisting. One 27 first.
127.
Female 41.
Oh my god.
127. Can you 10-5?
Alright, damn. Where the fuck am I going? Shit's hurt.
41 in the courtroom.
Shit's fucking hurt, bro.
When the officers attempted to detain her, the situation escalated further. The female began resisting arrest, screaming loudly and yelling at the officers. Her behavior displayed a blatant disregard for the authority of law enforcement and the sanctity of the courtroom.
Jesus Christ.
My camera's on but broken, so.
What are we doing, Hunter? Do you need to get out there?
No, I'll take her. Negative 107. Gonna say. Deactivate body camera.
Copy that.
Sit down.
Just my fucking, like, I have a head, like, Jesus
Just
Christ,
stay seated.
man.
There was absolutely zero need for that.
Please.
No.
Please.
Absolutely not.
Leave the fuck alone, bro. I don't know what the fuck I'm going through in life. Leave the fuck alone since the icing on the cake. Oh my god.
You parked over there?
What's that?
You're parked on the side lot?
Yep. You wanna, my camera's off, so I need to.
Yeah, of course. All right, stand up.
This is what happens when people have fucking kids and can't finish fucking raising them, bro. And I gotta deal with this shit.
Elevator. She's gonna throw herself down the stairs or something.
Oh, please, don't put words on that.
You were just acting up. We're going in an elevator.
They secured the female and, after ensuring the courtroom was no longer affected by her disruptions, proceeded to escort her out of the building. As the officers transported her out of the courtroom and toward their patrol vehicle, her behavior remained consistently aggressive and defiant.
Your camera's on?
Yeah. Yeah.
they call 41?
I did.
Thank you. Make sure. No, yeah. My camera's off.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
The officers placed her inside their patrol vehicle and began the journey to the police station for further investigation. Throughout the transport, her demeanor remained unchanged, with her verbal outbursts persisting and her resistance to the situation unwavering.
Let's see. I just gotta take that out. We're gonna get you all, our headquarters right here. Just bear with us. We're gonna get you out of this, okay? I'm gonna need you to come with me. My camera's not working.
Okay. My card's right there.
What's that?
I'll take my
I'm
card.
just gonna throw it on the back. Is there anything on your seat? Yeah.
That's not my car.
Is there anything on your seat?
I'll put that in your trunk.
I got it. You just open that door for us, it's hot, and then. Thank you.
Yep.
That's your phone.
Yeah.
Main routes headquarters, adult female 41 2002, then my start end. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
I just need you to walk in until we get
Yeah, of course.
situated because my camera's broken. Here. We're going to make an immediate left, go all the way back to the bench and just have a seat, okay?
Clear deactivate.
In light of this information, the officers contacted the father of her children to inform him of the incident and its consequences.
Hello.
Yes.
Hey, how are you, sir? This is Officer Hutman with Lacey Police. I'm just returning your phone call.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm well, sir. I just wanted to give you an update on Alyssa. We do have her here. I apologize. We had to confirm that as she's an adult, we just had to confirm that she was okay with us sharing why she was here, and she did authorize us to talk to you about that. So,
Okay.
So she was at court here today, and there was a little bit of a misunderstanding between she and the judge. She had gotten upset about that, and the judge had asked her to be removed from the courtroom. based on her language and her demeanor. So we just simply asked her to step outside and calm down, and that actually escalated her. And she had made comments, suicidal ideations at that point, which we're then obligated to take her for a mental health screening, when she makes those statements, okay? So...
Yeah, I mean, I know that's, you guys, I know that's you guys' job, so, I understand.
Yeah.
She gets in cities, she gets out of control when she doesn't get her way, really, so...
Yeah.
I know her, I've been with her for over 10 years.
This conversation provided additional context as the father expressed shock and disbelief over her actions. He conveyed his concerns about the impact of her behavior on their children and the potential legal ramifications she now faced.
Definitely not suicidal, but I guess you guys have to take that.
Yeah, she's very...
She's just talking shit.
She's very cooperative with me. In fact, I reminded her, I actually had an interaction with her on Lakeside. I was working like a paving detail, and we had a good interaction, and I said, well, you're killing me. I didn't know that was you. You looked familiar, and I'm mindful that she was obviously excited and overwhelmed with some emotion. At that point, I think you may have been on the phone where she started screaming.
Yeah, I was trying to tell her to calm down.
Yeah, once.
I understand what's going on.
So based on her statements prior to that, and then her behavior exhibited, she was not under arrest. I was simply asking her to stand up, and we were going to secure her so she didn't, try to hit herself or one of us. She was not under arrest at that point, and at that point that obviously didn't go well. And then at that point, we explained she was under arrest because she had pulled away from us a number of times. And so right now we are releasing her. She's not going to the county jail. This didn't occur, in front of a large setting, specifically the court. So, my hands are tied in this regard. But she is released on a summons, and she will be taken to Community Medical Center for mental health screening. Now, I wish we had the authority as police officers to say, hey, listen, I know she's not a threat to herself. She said it in the heat of the emotion.
Yeah, I know she's not, but you got to take it serious, and I understand.
We really don't have the right to make that determination. What we would have to do is, if somebody called and said, hey, I think she has, we would have a screener come out here and essentially give her a screening and determine that. But once they make that statement to us, and this was said like 4 times to us, we don't have a choice. So unfortunately, she understands. She's being very cooperative right now. I expect her to be no issue further. And she will be at Community Medical Center. She wanted me to let you know that before we left. I just wanted to honor that wish based on her, how cooperative she's being. And she's calm. I even explained to her, I said, listen, you got one of the most compassionate and calm officers here. Whoops.
Thank you so much for calling me back. I don't know.
No, it's all right. No problem. I was just, I've gotten her to calm down a bit. She's very, very cooperative, and like I said, I just wanted to honor that wish before we did leave with her, because I'm not sure if she'll be able to make contact with anybody for a while there. So,
following this interaction, the officers continued their investigation, documenting the sequence of events and compiling evidence related to the incident.
So she will be at Community Medical Center, okay?
Okay, so when they take her to the hospital, do you know how long day she would be there for?
I don't want to give a false impression here. I suspect I suspect her to not be there long. Like I said, in the heat of the moment, and I'll express that to the staff there. I don't expect it to be a long stay. There's a very good chance that she'll be out this evening. Although I don't want to, I want to be fully transparent. If they do keep her a day or two, I don't want it to be like, man, you told me she was going to be out tonight. Like, so we can't predict it. I like to err on the side of the caution and say it could be a day or more. But based on these circumstances and based on my experience in the past with similar situations, typically this isn't something they would hold her for a long period of time for. But I don't want to speak to that to where if she's there for an extended period of time, there's really no way to predict it. But like I said, based in past experiences, she shouldn't be there too long. So
Okay.
Now, your children is, am I saying that correctly?
No, that's my mother.
Your mother.
So, yeah, that's my mother. Yes. So
Okay. So
I had her call down for me and stuff like that because
Right.
I'm currently at work right now. So my
I'm
children
sorry.
are with Alyssa's grandmother.
Okay, so your children are with Alyssa's grandmother, and
Right, and she lives in town, and she's in on.
okay,
She's in town with you guys. I'm actually at work. I work in break. So I was another question I had for
Sure.
you. Because Alyssa, I let her use the car, obviously because she had a lot going on today.
right.
So the car is under both of our names. Both I actually paid for the car. So my only concern is because I do have the key on me. Would I be able to pick my car up instead of it getting towed? You know.
No,
I
of
really
course.
can't
No,
afford
of
that.
course. We would not tow the vehicle. Yeah, no, of course. So that
Okay, thank you so much.
certainly your car is located at the courthouse here in Lacey. If you're familiar, it's
Yeah, that's right. That's next door, right?
yes, sir. So her car is there. I'll find out where in the parking lot is. I'm sure it'll be the only vehicle, once they're closed. But I will ensure that vehicle. We don't tow vehicles in that sense, but specifically in this, I will ensure that it will not be towed. And then if you have that vehicle, as long as she's okay with that and it's your vehicle, then that's fine.
Right. Yeah, it's both of our vehicles. It's
Got it.
really mine, but it's I share it with her. It's both of our vehicle. Only thing is, if I do go to pick it up today, which I am planning on to, if she's there, if she's still there. Is there any gates or anything, or like am I freely to just go grab it, or is there like a gate or anything?
Nope, no gate. No gate. You're open to come and go as you please in that parking lot. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much for calling me.
Absolutely, and sorry this panned out this way. Unfortunately, it's like I said, it's just the way the situation had gone. But we're here to help you with whatever we can, and then as long as the children are with Alyssa's grandmother and they're cared for, and there's really no further need, for us to be involved in anything, and then we'll be leaving, cutting her loose to the hospital. Okay.
Right. Yeah. Everything sounds good. Thank you so much for calling me.
Yes, sir.
I really appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
The female, meanwhile, remained in custody as the officers prepared the necessary reports to present her case to the judicial system. Her behavior, characterized by disorderly conduct, resistance to law enforcement, and interference with official proceedings, constituted a clear violation of legal and societal norms. These actions warranted her subsequent presentation before the court to address the charges brought against her.
Try to have a good rest of your day, okay, sir? And if you need any issue, if there's any issue with the car, please just give us a call, but I don't expect there to be an issue.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. All right. Bye-bye now.
Bye bye.
Those in there, and then we'll get her secure here. Okay. Hey, 1 second for me. I want the sword. See you standing right here. So we're ready. Okay. Give me 1 second. Those are not that paperwork. I don't know what that paperwork. But the book is, yes. Oh, I have mine. Can you throw these in 100's mailbox or bring them to him, please, at the court? Yeah. Just in case God forbid he needs them again. Did he give you your textbook? Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Okay. And you're good? Yep. Power on? Okay. Thank you. We're going to go out to car number 97. It's on the right-hand side here, okay? Just going straight ahead. Okay, you just hang out right here. It's fine. Thank you. Okay. I just have a seat. Just hold on to that. The buckle's weird in here. It's on that side. It's the one closest to you. So yeah, it's weird. Here we. Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Yes, sir. We're all set. Thank you.
Later, the female was presented to the court, where she faced multiple charges, including disorderly conduct, resisting an officer, obstruction, and interference with an official act. The evidence against her, supported by witness testimonies and the officer's detailed reports, painted a comprehensive picture of her disruptive and unlawful behavior. Her actions, particularly her insults directed at the judge and her defiance of law enforcement, were deemed not only disrespectful, but also a direct challenge to the principles of justice and order that the courtroom represents. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To stay updated on our future videos, click on the notification bell icon after subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.